Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a look at what might just be the best helmet visor anti-fog replacement you can get, the Universal Anti-Fog Film for Motorcycle Helmet Visors by RVBASICS. If you've ever struggled with foggy vision during a cold morning ride or rainy commute, this product promises a clear, safer experience on the road without needing to replace your entire visor. Let's start with what this film actually is. The RVBASICS Universal Anti-Fog Film is a transparent insert designed to stick onto the inside of your helmet visor. Its job is simple but essential: prevent fogging that can blur your vision and make riding unsafe. The company calls it a must-have for anyone riding in cold or wet conditions, and it's easy to see why. Once installed, the visor stays clear, letting you focus on the road instead of constantly wiping or lifting your helmet shield. In terms of build and size, the film measures 3.46 inches by 10.7 inches. That's slightly smaller than a full visor, which means it doesn't cover the entire shield but focuses on the key viewing area, the part you actually look through. It's meant to be universal, compatible with most standard full-face helmets, so it's not a custom-fit product. The edges are visible once it's installed, but most users find that a small trade-off for the improvement in clarity. Now, installation takes a little patience. It's similar to applying a phone screen protector. You'll need to clean your visor thoroughly until it's streak-free, then line up the film carefully before sticking it down. You only get one good shot at this. Repeated peeling and reapplying weakens the adhesive. Luckily, RVBASICS includes everything you need: a positioning sticker, a microfiber cloth, and an installation guide to make the process easier. The film comes in different performance levels. The basic, clear, over 60 seconds, model is great for casual riders, while the super clear versions can last up to 300 seconds of fog resistance. There are also premium photochromic versions that adjust to light levels, offering sunshade protection and anti-fog properties in one. Depending on which version you choose, prices range from around $14 to $80. That's still much cheaper than replacing a branded anti-fog visor insert or a full helmet shield. Once installed correctly, the difference is noticeable. On cold mornings or in the rain, your visor stays clear, no misting, no distortion. It doesn't affect your peripheral vision, and because it's transparent, you'll hardly notice it's there while riding. However, RVBASICS does point out that this film doesn't reduce glare at night, so if you do a lot of nighttime riding, that's something to keep in mind. Overall, the Universal Anti-Fog Film from RVBASICS is a simple, low-cost, and effective solution for one of the most frustrating problems riders face. It offers clear visibility in challenging weather, installs easily with basic care, and works on most helmets without modification. If you're looking for an affordable alternative to factory pinlock systems or fog-resistant visors, this might be the best option out there right now. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on smart, affordable motorcycle gear. That makes your rides safer and smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.